Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Liux token. Now this token is actually trending #1 right now on pinksale.finance. They're in the middle of their pre-sale. They've already passed their soft cap. They're doing very well, and they still have well over 2 days left to go on this pre-sale here. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. Liux. Liux. That is the name of the token, and that is also the ticker symbol for this token. They're trending #1 right now. This is a public pre-sale. They've had 50 contributors invest in this pre-sale so far. Soft cap was set at 25 BNB, and they've already sold 32.82 BNB worth of tokens. So it's already a successful pre-sale, and as of recording this video, they still have 2 days and 23 hours left to go for this pre-sale. They have a full audit here. They were audited by Ace Audits, and you can view the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. They also have a KYC, which means their team was doxed to PinkSale to verify who they are for security reasons for investors. And they have a Seifu badge on here as well. So they got all sorts of good security on this token. It says Liux decentralized integration platform. Meet your most powerful blockchain assistant. Audit KYC Seifu 0% buy 0% sell tax. Coin market cap CoinGecko listed coming soon. Wallet on Google Play. DApp utility. NFT marketplace chart swap. Registered company. Experienced team. Massive marketing. All sorts of good features here. So they have a Telegram. You can find that at Liux Official. They have a Twitter, which is at Liux Alpha. And then they have a web page, which is liuxnetwork.com. So 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 100 million tokens. 30 million tokens for pre-sale. 17.64 million tokens for liquidity. Initial market cap estimate is $13,731. And when this pre-sale is over, if you missed the pre-sale and you're still looking to get this token, there's no worries. You can get the token shortly after the pre-sale is over on PancakeSwap. And it says liquidity will also be locked on PancakeSwap for 365 days. According to their token metrics pie chart here, it says 30% of the tokens go to pre-sale. 17.64% of the tokens go to liquidity, 25% go to the staking pool, 15% go to central exchange reserves, 7% marketing, 3% product development, 1.76% team, and 0.6% of the tokens are unlocked, which is a very small amount. Now, if you want more info, head over to liuxnetwork.com. Over there, you can find a full white paper as well. So enjoy a better swap experience. Liux will meet your most powerful blockchain. Will be your most powerful blockchain assistant. Liux's goal is to provide a platform for developers to launch decentralized applications. They have the wallet and Google Play. On Google Play, they have their own swap, their own NFTs, their own launchpad, their own chart, and their own registered company, which is Visa Pay supported, it says. So their vision here is accessibility that anyone can access easily. DeFi interworking platform, decentralized finance with a stable annual percentage yield. Opening a new platform so that customers can make their own asset management rather than large institutions. And with that, to build a stable asset management service in the virtual asset market. That is the vision of Liux. Blockchain is an important tool for shaping the future of finance. In particular, DeFi is the biggest topic in the new virtual assistant market. We will create services for our customers by continuously upgrading until the day that all digital assets are freely traded in the decentralized financial market. So they go over each one of their utilities here. So they have the swap, the wallet, the staking, the liquidity pools, the market, the launchpad, all that type of stuff. You can go over each individual product on their white paper. So the swap offers users and developers a best-in-class experience using our revolutionary swap. They have the wallet here. The wallet is a multi-coin cross-platform wallet app. So in the wallet functionality, you can create a wallet, export private keys, sign transactions, import wallet via seed phrase or private keys. Then they have staking. It's a useful tool to help you get more passive income. Then they have liquidity pools here. You can deposit BNB and Liux tokens into liquidity pools. They have their own marketplace where you could use the Liux token in 5 different ways for network fees, payments, fees, rewards, and governance. And then they have the launchpad where they have private sale creation, tiered pre-sale, pitch advertising, token vesting, KYC and auditing, and launchpad creation. So on their roadmap here, they started in phase 1 was Q4 2022 with the proof of concept, team formation, design the tokenomics and white paper, the Liux swap development, community formation, KYC, audit, Seifu badge, smart contract deployment, and then Q1 of 2023 we got marketing, tier 2 central exchange listing, fair launch, swap launch, token launch, and aggressive marketing. Then in Q2 coming up, we're going to have CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko listing. Then farms and pool launch, achieve 5,000 holders. And then Q3 this year, we're going to have the swap update, 10,000 holders, project expansion, team expansion, tier 1 central exchange listing, and then more to be announced. So it says for taxes, if you are going to buy or sell this token off PancakeSwap, there is 0% tax on transactions. So you most likely will not have to change the slippage. So that's good. Now, I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.